For me, Boyznbucks was the Avengers. Because everybody was dope in their own right, doing their own thing. And it was a creative collective that we decided to come together to push a common goal at the time, which is fashion, music, just creative, cool stuff that nobody else is doing or in the forefront. So for me, Boyznbucks was the Avengers of the game because everybody was dope. Like at the time, Scoop is the biggest presenter, you get what I'm saying? And Bubezi is the biggest like corporate stylist, like doing big ads and all these things. MK and Sanele at Nike, they, you know what I mean? It's a big deal. Pigo at Red Bull, you know what I'm saying? I just got off Cream Cartel, you know what I mean? I'm doing the styling thing, I'm huge at it. I'm styling anybody who's the biggest has to call me, especially in a hip hop sphere, do you know what I mean? Or urban sphere. So everybody in their own rights was doing big things. So when we came together and